Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create an audience in Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account and find the Audience section. You will see a button to Create Audience. Click it to start. Next, give your audience a clear, descriptive name. This helps you identify it later. Also, input your default from email, address, and name, which subscribers will see. This ensures professional communication from the very beginning. Now, let's add your default contact information. Mailchimp requires a physical mailing address for legal compliance, so be sure to include it. Also, craft a short, friendly message reminding people how they joined your list. This builds trust and transparency. Finally, set up your notification preferences. You can choose to receive daily summaries or immediate alerts for new signups and unsubscribes, keeping you informed. Moving on to form settings, consider enabling double opt-in. This sends a confirmation email to new subscribers, ensuring they truly want to join your list and reducing spam. If you have contacts in Europe, activate the GDPR fields to collect explicit consent, which is crucial for data privacy. Once you have reviewed all your choices, click Save to finalize your new audience. It's a straightforward process. With your audience now created, the next steps are to populate and manage it effectively. You can easily import any existing contacts you have into this new audience. Then, design engaging sign-up forms to attract even more subscribers. Remember, a well-designed form can significantly boost your list growth. Finally, explore segmentation options to send highly targeted and personalized campaigns, maximizing your email marketing efforts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.